Formal na kinilala ang JDN Realty Group bilang Certified Great Place to Work para sa period na November 2025 hanggang November 2026. Kasunod ng JDN Realty Group's Great Place to Work Certification Ceremony na ginanap nitong January 22, 2026 sa Nepos Center, Angeles City. Iginawad ng Great Place to Work Philippines ang certification badge bilang pagkilala sa commitment ng JDN sa isang workplace culture na nakabatay sa trust, respect at people first values. Ito ang kauna-unahang Great Place to Work certification ng JDN Realty Group at itinuturing na mahalagang milestone lalo na't kabilang ito sa iilang real estate companies na nakatanggap ng nasabing pagkilala.
Usually companies come to us primarily because they want to get certified to attract talent or to retain their employees, or for the case of JDN, it's to celebrate their culture. Sometimes they also use the certification for employer branding. So when it comes to the qualifications, it has to be at least 10 people with a Philippine entity to get certified. But the thing is, we don't assess the companies. It's going to be the employees who will fill out a survey, and when they are able to pass the positive threshold score, that's when they're Great Place to Work certified.
Pinangunahan ng Great Place to Work Philippines representatives ang turnover ng badge na tinanggap ng JDN leadership na sina Chairman Arnie Valdez, President and CEO Aaron Jeffrey Montenegro, AVP for Administration Maribel Ronquillo, EHS Senior Manager Trixie Valdez at Payroll and Admin Manager Eduardo Jan Balatbat.
Very happy together with the whole JDN family and the whole Realty Group to receive this certification. We didn't we always trust our employees and the culture itself, and I think we're ready. When we planned this last year, I think we're ready to be certified. It's because also the values that the Nepomuceno family have brought to the whole of JDN Group, and luckily we passed with flying colors at 87% passing rate, and we're happy. That just talks about the culture and how the Nepomuceno family is always taking care of their employees. Like what we're saying, kindness fuels the passion within us. So they're very generous and warm-hearted in taking care of all the employees.
Batay sa survey results, 87% ng mga empleyado ng 1D Nepomuceno Sons Incorporated ang nagsabing Great Place to Work ang kumpanya, mas mataas sa 65% national average. Lumabas din na 95% ay may sapat na tools sa trabaho, 94% ang proud sa kanilang accomplishment, 93% ang satisfied sa community contribution ng kumpanya at 92% ang naniniwalang patas ang pagtrato sa lahat.
Being a great place to work also comes with responsibility. A responsibility to keep improving, to nurture our people, and to protect the culture that we have built together. Because true greatness does not stand still. It grows with every decision we make.
Ayon sa JDN Realty Group, ang certification ay hindi lamang badge, kundi patuloy na ang tao ang sentro ng paglago ng kumpanya. Nagsisilbi rin itong trust signal para sa mga investors, tenants at business partners na nagpapakita na ang matibay na workplace culture at pangmatagalang business growth ay magkaugnay. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force, Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.